Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to create 3 amazing DIY gifts that are perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. For our first project, we'll be making a personalized photo frame. You'll need a plain photo frame, some paint, brushes, decorative elements like stickers or beads, and of course, a photo. Painting the frame. Start by painting the frame in your chosen color. Make sure to cover the entire surface and let it dry completely. Decorating the frame. Next, add your decorative elements. You can use stickers, beads, or even glitter to make it unique. Once you're happy with the design, let everything dry. Inserting the photo. Finally, insert your favorite photo into the frame. And there you have it, a beautiful, personalized photo frame that's perfect for gifting. Close-up of materials on a table. For our next gift, we'll be making homemade scented candles. You'll need candle wax, wicks, essential oils, and some containers. And melting the wax. Start by melting the candle wax in a double boiler. Be sure to stir it gently as it melts. Adding essential oils. Once the wax is completely melted, add a few drops of your favorite essential oils. This will give your candle a lovely scent. Pouring wax into containers. Place a wick in the center of each container, then carefully pour the wax in. Let the candles cool and harden completely. Finished candles. And there you have it, homemade scented candles that make perfect gifts. Close-up of materials on a table. For our final project, we'll be customizing tote bags. You'll need plain tote bags, fabric paint, stencils, and brushes. Placing the stencil on the bag. Start by placing your stencil on the tote bag. You can secure it with tape to keep it in place. Painting the design. Using fabric paint, fill in the stencil with your chosen colors. Be sure to apply the paint evenly. Removing the stencil. Once you've finished painting, carefully remove the stencil and let the paint dry completely. Cut to finished tote bags. And there you have it, a stylish, customized tote bag that's perfect for carrying all your essentials. Closing scene. Montage of all 3 completed DIY gifts. Narrator, VO. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed these DIY gift ideas. If you try any of these projects, be sure to share your photos with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun DIY projects. See you next time.